Hello everyone, I'm here in front of you with another interesting video. Today I would like to discuss about Bangladesh women's victory against Netherlands in the ICC T20 Women's World Cup 2026. Bangladesh started their World Cup campaign with confident fashion, and it is the first World Cup for Netherlands. So he started Netherlands batted first and he scored 139 for 8 wickets in their 20 overs. Bangladeshi bowlers played a disciplined performance, especially Marufa Akter played a good performance with 2 important wickets, and all 5 bowlers played good. They taken at least 1 wicket, so it is the team effort for this match. When Bangladesh went to bat to chase the target 139, Bangladesh started well, and in the middle point of this batting, Bangladesh faced pressure to chase the target. So we thought that Bangladesh are going to lose the match, but Juairiya Ferdous, she scored a match-winning half century, and in the middle point they build a partnership. That's why Bangladesh has been able to change the momentum. So everyone became happier more. That's why, and also Bangladesh chased the target successfully, and Bangladesh won the match. And also it is the historic winning for Bangladesh in the ICC Women's T20 World Cup, because it is the highest run chase for Bangladesh women's cricket. They never chased this type of runs before. That's why it is the historic victory for Bangladesh women's in the ICC World Cup. So what do you think? You can leave a comment. In the last moment, I would like to say you something about me, why I gradually make video about sports like football and cricket. I have a plan to improve my English. That's why I try to say something about football match, about cricket match, so that I can improve myself. Okay, so today also I practiced about the previous match played Bangladesh versus Netherlands. Okay, so in this way you can also practice for improving your English, to make your confidence. Okay, and I think I will come again in front of you with another match review. So till then, Allah Hafiz.